And we've got a Hornby City of Nottingham here that got a few faults on it. The smoke deflector is missing, the cab's been hacked a little bit, and the tender is like it's a pimped up car. Suspension dropped at the back. Well, it's running, the motor's working, valve gear's working, plenty of spares useful on it. So it's going on eBay for sale. See what we'll bid for. Here we come again. I think I had the autofocus turned off for a moment, sorry about the blurry pictures. Please subscribe to see more videos as they get uploaded, and you can follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and I'm selling on eBay, and of course doubleho.co.uk.